Tips for building renovation architecturally. A question has been asked many times by blog readers in our comment box. Is architecturally renovation of a building possible with a structural stability certificate? The answer is positive. Yes, it is possible. For this, the architectural history of the existing building should be accompanied by the design drawings of the structural history. If the patron, client, has a history record of the existing building renovation can be done with structural stability. It also depends on what architectural changes are going to happen in the existing building, as RCC frame structure standard will remain as per IS code. Structural auditing of existing building is also necessary before renovating an existing building. Expert instructions should be followed if the structural auditing report of the existing building is positive, on the basis of whose report the structural renovation depends. You can do renovation successfully of existing building with structural stability certificate under joint guidance of architect and engineer. The risk factor will be 0 in this process. If you do not have the architectural and structural design drawings of the existing building available, then renovation is also possible through structural auditing. In that case there may be a risk factor involved. Then renovation of existing building is difficult to be possible with structural stability certificate. Here the risk is only of the structural stability certificate, nothing else. Existing building renovation often involves strengthening of foundations, columns, beams and slabs, which is a common process. The role of MEP engineering services is also very important. Therefore, its installation should also be done under the supervision of experts. Many times, people prefer to do the renovation of existing building with labor, mason or contractor or builder to reduce the cost. If your contractor and builder are qualified civil engineer and also experienced, then the risk is little less, otherwise it can also be fatal for hard-earned money and with your life. Renovation is not recommended to be done by labor or masons. It should always be under the supervision of an expert. A small mistake can lead to a major accident at the time of renovation in an existing building. Hence it should be taken care of. No decision should be taken without the advice of the architect, and satisfaction can be experienced only by relying on the advice of the architect. Existing building after renovation, the building lasts for a long time, saving the cost of repeated maintenance. Building looks like brand new construction. Architectural changes in existing building renovations are as follows. The main changes in renovation are often in the kitchen, bathroom, balcony and exterior of the building. Sometimes floors are also added. Where work is done in 5 stages. It is a standard system which is followed in every small and big building. No building construction is possible without following it. This work is done under the services of team design consultant architect. Stage 1. Floors, walls, ceiling and engineering services, as per architectural design and drawings. Stage 2. Foundation, columns, beams and slabs after finalization of architectural design and drawings. Stage 3. MEP engineering services, products or accessories selection and installation, as per architectural, interior design and drawings and patrons selections. Stage 4. The time comes to start executing on site. Stage 5. Beautification and finishing, as per architectural or interior design drawings and patrons selections. For stage 1, after a deep study of the existing building's design and drawings or based the report of structural auditing of the existing building, the team design consultant architect prepares a feasible design and shares it with the client, on the basis of which the architectural design is finalized. For stage 2, final architectural design is shared with the design consultant structural engineer based on which the structural design is finalized. For stage 3, after that MEP engineering services, products or accessories selection and installation is done with coordination on final architectural design, which is a standard process to be followed, in which the participation and consent of the client is also there. The above 3 stages are very important. Following these, any existing building can be successfully renovated with a structural stability certificate. The above 3 stages are very important. Following these, any existing building can be successfully renovated with a structural stability certificate. Just has to be patient, as due to the risk factor involved, this entire process takes a little more time than new building, and there is no shortcut to this process.
We'll be back soon with a new topic and new video. Stay connected with us. Don't forget to like, share the channel. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, then subscribe and click on the bell icon. Hope it will help you to make aware about right decision. Thank you.